What's up guys? I am back. Thank you for coming back to my channel to check out the PMD body. I just ordered this. I got it today actually, and I have on my robe because I just got out the shower, the tub. Just getting this in the mail just made me feel like I needed to treat myself to a bubble bath. It was nice. So this is the PMD body. I know some people like to see the unboxing. I personally think it's pointless. Whenever I watch reviews, I just want to see if the device like works. This is the box that it came in. Of course, PMD always has lovely, sleek packaging. Ignore my nails because your girl needs to get them done. Basically, when you open the box, what you get is the PMD body, the massage head. It doesn't actually like massage you, it's just like there for you to mash into your body while the PMD is vibrating. The polish head, it's the same like little crystal things that are in the PMD microdermabrasion, which I have and I love. It definitely will not replace, you know, the pedicure thing. I think they're called a pumice stone. If you have one of those, I have the Amapay like electric thing. And like I said, this is great for like exfoliating your body, but it's not gonna really like give you baby skin if you got some rough stuff. Then we have the silver scrub loofah. It's supposedly infused with silver, and that's supposed to be very, let's see, silver is supposed to be antibacterial. And yeah, okay, that's it. That's basically what it is. So just for references, this is the PMD Clean RQ, which is the rose quartz. There's the back of it, and here is the PMD body. So it's a huge difference, because at first when I saw the PMD body, I was like, why am I going to spend that much money when I can literally just use this? But I will say it is a huge difference. Like, you can even see the depth of the little silicone bristles. They're so much deeper on the body than they are on the PMD Clean. The attachable heads are magnetic, so they just snap on like that. There are 4 settings. The first setting is gentle vibration. Second mode is intense vibration. Those are supposed to be used for cleansing your body. And then the third one is gentle pulsation, and the fourth one is intense pulsation, which are to be used for massaging. So, oh my gosh, freaking battery died. Okay, so that's something that I really do need to talk about, because so I charged this thing up. On the box it says when the light goes off, then that means that the battery is charged. So, you know, I tested it out a little bit before getting in the shower, the little massage head. Got in the tub and scrubbing with the loofah on the cleansing mode for, it couldn't have been that long. Then I used the exfoliator head. I used that a little bit like on my feet. You're supposed to use it on rougher skin. Anyway, by the time I got ready to put the freaking massage head on, the battery was dead. So I don't know if maybe like the first charge needs to be longer than what the box says. I don't know. This thing is really loud. So like, I don't know if you can hear that. This is the PMD Clean. This is the one for your face. The PMD body, it's a louder hum, obviously, because it has probably a bigger motor or something in it. But what is super loud is, for some reason, the massage head. When you put this massage head on, the other two aren't as loud, but this thing like almost rattles around. I don't know if you can hear that. So it rattles around, and I think this thing says that it has like 7,000 vibrations per minute. I mean, it's not a big deal, but like if you're trying to relax, like I had my music going, my Bath & Body Works vanilla lavender candle, I had my lavender bubble bath, like it was just like I was trying to set the mood. And then this loud ass thing, I mean, it's like, it definitely can be a vibe killer, I guess you could say. I paid $111, I think. I am in the PMD Insiders VIP. I'm in their little thing, their little group. So they gave all of us a 30% off discount code, which was really nice. Is it worth $100? I don't know. I gotta use it more. I mean, $100 for a loofah. And by the way, even though this is antibacterial, they still recommend that you change it out like every month. So that's still gonna be an extra expense. It's not like you buy it, which I thought you know, antibacterial meant like you really don't have to change it out because it's not collecting bacteria. And you gotta have to change the polish head out as well because it's just like a nail file, like it gets dull. So you have to change that out as needed. But you could also just use the regular PMD silicone bristles. I mean, they actually felt very cleansing to me. Like I felt like I was really scrubbing. The length of it is really good. I am basically 4'11". Oh, let's get this back so I can show you. I'm basically 4'11", 4'10 and a half, but I just say 4'11". I can reach my entire back with this thing. I will say the placement of the button was kind of frustrating for me. Sometimes I'd be like scrubbing with the loofah on the second setting or whatever and then accidentally mash the button and it would change to the massage setting, and then when I was doing my little massage and my exfoliating, I would accidentally hit the button and it would turn off. So that's a little frustrating. I wish they would like move the button maybe to the bottom. I understand they're trying to make it look like this one, but you're doing a lot more with this. So I just feel like the button being right there on the handle is just so easy to accidentally press. Overall, I really do like it. Like I said, I'm not sure if I would have paid full price for it without my little discount. Anyway, that's the PMD clean. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them, and I will be sure to keep you guys updated as I use it, especially on the charger part, because the fact that I couldn't even get through a bath with this after it supposedly being fully charged, that is very concerning. That would definitely make it not worth the price if it can't get through a bath or a shower. That's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon.